Well, with this one, I would usually start with the side that has more things to work with and then simplify it to be this side. But just for a challenge, I think I'm going to start with this side. And if we're using half angle formulas, I'll be using this form, that sine squared of theta is equal to 1 minus cosine of 2 theta divided by 2. So it's cutting the angle in half. So, but not going this direction, but instead going this direction. So this, which was double angle, is now cut in half to be a single angle. But I use it like this in this class, even though the trig book doesn't use it much, because that's the form that we use in calculus. Now this one has sine to the fourth, which means that I'm going to need to take this and square it. Also, this has a 4, so before I square it, I need to multiply by 2. So I need to have 2 sine squared, and then later I'm going to square that to get that. So right now I multiplied this side by 2, I then need to multiply this side by 2 as well. So I've got that the left hand side can be rewritten as something squared, namely a 2 sine of squared being squared. So there's the left hand side. Now use this identity, and the 2's here can cancel. So it's a 1 minus cosine of 2 theta, which needs to be squared. So you could multiply this by itself, you could use FOIL, or you could use the shortcut which says square the first thing, 1 squared is 1, square the second thing, when you square a negative it's going to be positive, and then for the middle term you multiply these together and then double the result. So it's going to be negative 2 and then a 1 times cosine of 2 theta. And then take a look at what we're supposed to have, and that's exactly it. That's the right hand side.